So in HandBrake, if you have made a certain preset, then you can go ahead and export it out as well. For example, I have this preset right here. I can go ahead right here and then let's say, for example, make some changes to this. So you have a custom preset. Let me just go ahead and save this preset out as well as sample2 right here and click on add. So now what I have is I have a bunch of presets right here, and let's say I want to export them out. In that case, you can go around onto the drop down menu of presets, and then you can go around over here on to manage presets right here, just like this. So if you were to go around onto options now, you can see that you can export selected presets. So I can select this preset right here and export the selected presets right here. So let's just go around onto my TuTube drive right here, and you can see that it is in JSON format. So let's just go around and say presets right here for HandBrake, just like this, and then I can go around and say save it as sample right here, just like this. And if you want to go ahead and export out all of the presets, then you can simply go around over here onto options and then export all user presets right here. You can see the sample preset is here, but I'm just going to go around and say preset collection right here, just like this, and click on save, and that will be exported out as well. So if I were to go around over here onto export, you can see that these presets has been exported so that you can share it out with others so that they can import it back onto their HandBrake project and convert videos with it. So that is how you can export HandBrake presets as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.